Students, welcome to Shorab's classes. So in today's video we'll solve the questions from UGC NET Economics. So we'll be solving questions from UGC NET Economics paper. So today we'll be solving 2016 July papers. So in the last video we solved still question number 3. So in today's video we'll solve from question number 4. So in question number 4 it is given the Slutsky equation. Explain the 4 options are given. So demand for durable goods, supply of durable goods, split between price, income and substitution effect, demand for rare and or non-reproducible goods. So out of which we know that Professor Slutsky has presented the relationship between price effect, income effect and substitution effect. So it is given in this manner, that is change in x by change in px. This is known as price effect. Is basically this is basically equals to change in x by change in px equals to constant equals to plus x into change in x by change in I px py, which is also constant. So this is basically substitution effect and this is basically income effect. So price effect divided into substitution and income effect. So Slutsky equation explains split between price, income and substitution effect. So for this, for question number 4, we know the right answer is option 3. So now what I'll do is I'll simply go through the other questions that I have done so far before I proceed further with the question number 5. So in question number 1 it was given, so we have to measure the consumer surplus from this diagram. So we know the consumer surplus is this position, that is AB. So option 4. Now we can come to this. A cartel aims at maximizing. 4 options are given, so out of which we know the right answer to be equals to industry profit. So a cartel always aims at maximizing industry profit. And then we came to this, that is the statement that no one can be made better off without making someone worse off. Describe which of the following? It describes Pareto optimum. So now we have come to next question, which is question number 4. So in question number 4 it is given the Slutsky equation basically explained. 4 options are given: demand for durable goods, supply of durable goods, split between price, income and substitution effect, and demand for rare or non-reproducible good. We know the right answer is option 3 for question number 4. Now we'll straight go to the next question, which is question number 5. So in question number 5 it is given the L-shaped average cost curve is witnessed in large firms because. So the L-shaped average cost curve is witnessed in large firms because 4 options as you can see are given. The L-shaped average cost curve is witnessed in the large firm because only the law of increasing returns operate, only the law of constant returns operate, only the law of constant return operates. So the operation of law of decreasing return continuously postponed. So out of this we know for question number 5 the right answer is the operation of law of decreasing returns is continuously postponed. This is the right answer for question number 5. So now why this is so? For this we know the modern theory of cost curve has been propounded by, so we know that is the long run cost curve in traditional theory is basically U-shaped, but according to modern theory in real life long run cost curve are L-shaped. That is the L-shaped cost curve implies that production cost, so it basically implies that the production cost falls continuously with increase in output. So the production cost falls continuously with increasing output. So according to modern theory of long run cost, there are mainly two types. One is production cost, another is managerial cost. On account of increase in production, production cost goes on falling continuously due to economics of scale. On contrary, as the scale of production is enlarged, manufacturing cost rise. Since fall in production cost is more than rise in managerial cost, the long run average cost curve falls smoothly and remains constant at various scales of output. So we know for this, for question number 5, the right answer is option 4. So for question number 5, we know the right answer is option 4. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showrupsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other links. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.